Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix neural filters grayed out in Adobe Photoshop. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. Now when we go to the Filters tab at the top, as you can see, my neural filters is also grayed out. To fix this, go to your layers window, which is at the bottom right for me, and make sure you have selected a layer you want to use the filter to. So just simply select a layer that you want, and once we go back to the filter tab, you should be able to see the neural filters not grayed out anymore. Another solution is to go to the help tab at the top and make sure that you have signed in here. I have already signed in, so it says sign out here, but if you do see a sign in option, tap on that and sign into your account. And once you go back, you should be able to use the neural filters as well. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.